Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Hi, we are in my office and I'm about to chop my hair off now. I'm going to chop bangs in my hair. I don't know where to set you. Hold on. I'm just going to sit on the floor here. Okay, so I have my mirror here and I have these scissors I just bought on Amazon and I'm just ready to chop my hair off. And I decided, sorry, I was looking at my pimples. I decided, why not just film this for my YouTube channel? This will probably be my first video back after I haven't posted, I think, in almost 2 weeks. It's because I was sick. My husband Jared and I tested positive for COVID and we've been sick like the past 2 weeks and it's been gross and terrible. But anyway, so I decided, so my hair has been, okay, the sun is literally going down. So I need to do this fast so I can at least see myself. Okay, wait. Maybe I should turn the light on. Okay, I had to switch tripods and I don't know if this is going to look good or what, but I just put that up. Anyway, what I was saying was, this is my first video back and I've missed you guys so much. I'm so excited to be filming. I filmed a different video earlier today. I feel a lot better. I just literally just have a cough now, and yeah. So what I'm doing here, I'm gonna separate my hair. This is gonna be hard because I've cut bangs into my hair. Let's do like a little memorial on all of the different times that I've cut bangs into my hair, myself or getting them cut. I probably had bangs, all different kinds, probably like 10 times in my life, 10, 15 times, I don't know. I feel like I'm always growing out my bangs. And I'm always bleaching my hair, so this is always happening where my hair was down to here until we kept getting it blonder, and then that happened. Anyway, normally I would have my sister be doing my hair because she's my hairdresser, but I can't go anywhere. Can't see anyone, obviously. And so I decided, you know, I'm watching many tutorials. Not tutorials, actually. I've been watching just people chopping their hair off, and then also I watched Matilda Jerf, I watched her hairdresser doing her hair. I feel like I have a pimple coming in there. I don't know. But anyway, so I saw her hairdresser doing her hair and I was like, okay, I think I can do this. I've done it myself almost, I think, every other time. Well, most of the times. I'm going to pin back the rest of my hair, I think. I don't want, like, okay, so the issue here is that my hair is way thinner on this side than it is on that side. So I don't really want these pieces cut because this side is going to be thinner. So the inspiration that I actually had for this video, or for this hairstyle, was Orion Carloto, who I'm obsessed with and I love. And I love her like fringy hairstyle kind of thing. You know what I mean? Like what she has going on. What is it called? I don't know what it's called. Like fringe. And so I just wanted to copy her, and I'm like, you know what, I just don't want them straight across or anything or too short, so I'm just going to start with like shorter pieces, like here maybe, kind of like really long bangs, and I want to, when I pull my hair back, there to be like, you know, like fringes. Does that make sense? I don't know if I'm making much sense right now, to be honest, but we're just gonna go for it. I bought these scissors from Amazon. They are hair cutting shears. They are not professional ones. They are $10. I don't know how well they're gonna work, but they're cute, right? I know hair cutting shears can go like for like a very expensive, like thousands, I think you can spend on hair cutting shears, like if you're a professional. So we'll see how well these do for the price, but yeah, I needed them anyway, honestly, because I kind of do cut everyone else's hair. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying. So I'm just like sitting here and I'm just gonna go for it. So this is the plan. These are my, I also, my hair, sorry, I'm talking so much before I do this. Also my hair is dirty because I figured my hair is mostly dirty because I only wash it once a week. So I wanted to do it and like make sure like the length and everything was how I would have it on a normal basis, not freshly cleaned. So it's just like second day hair, third day hair, whatever. So we're just gonna go for it, guys. I'm kind of nervous because like, I don't know if that's too much hair. That might be like a little bit too much hair, you know? We'll start here. We can always add to it. all right? So I've always done my bangs way too short and then I hate them. So I'd rather do them way too long. And I'm not going to do the whole twisty thing. I was going to do that, but I don't want straight across bangs and I don't really want curtainy bangs. I just want like fringies. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm very nervous. I'm very, very nervous. No one knows I'm doing this besides Jared. Like, my sister would probably be like, wait for me! But I'm just doing it. Okay. I definitely just cut some. I'm just going for it, y'all. Wait, y'all. I do not say y'all. Sorry. It does not sound right coming from me. Okay. I just feel like I need them. Like, look, that already looks so much better. I want it to taper down. I know I shouldn't do that. I know that I should not do that. She got this new rug. I'm gonna have to vacuum my hair out of it. Okay. All right. Shorter. It's shorter. I'm just going for it, you guys. I'm just having you guys watch me like second guess my whole existence. I don't know. I don't really know how to. Because they're not styled, you know how I would have them styled. I should probably stop. I think I'm going a little too far. Well, not too far, but like, you know, when you should just like wait a second and then I should do this side because this side's already shorter because it's all broken. So I think what I'm gonna do is pull that there into the middle, spread it out how it kind of looks. This is probably, you guys are probably gonna be like, this is so wrong, but that's all right. Because that's the issue, is my hair up here is not super thick. So let's see with all of it. Can you even tell? Special. No man new. You know that song by Olivia Rodrigo, her new song. So good. Deja Vu. Stream it now if you haven't already. And also Taylor Swift's new song from The Vault. Amazing. I don't think I should keep going. Alright, I need to get like my brush and start. I should style my hair before I continue, right? I wish you could play music on YouTube. Like, I don't know, I just think that that's somewhere that YouTube is really slacking, is in the copyright like overhaul department. And like, that I can't, like TikTok, there's a reason that you can play music on TikTok. I mean, like, for right now, I don't know, but like, and why so many songs blow up from TikTok, right? Anyway, I'm going to use this and then I'm going to use my straightener that I have here. And I'm just going to blow them out a little bit, give them a little bit more, you know. Okay, I'm literally just taking it and I'm just gonna keep going. I don't stop. This is what happens. I don't stop and then I'm gonna hate them and then, you know, but it's okay. It's all right. You know, I was just like, I skipped over like when during quarantine everyone was doing this and I'm just like, I was proud of myself for that and I was very proud of myself. But now I'm like, no, you know what? I don't really care. I'm just gonna go, I'm going to be my authentic, true self. And honestly, who gives a crap about hair? That's what I keep thinking. I was like, why are you letting people tell you not to do things with your hair when it's just gonna grow back? And I don't even do my hair, so I can just throw it back into some little things, you know, and whatever. And that can be it. But you know what? Side note, these wet brushes are like very good. But anyway, so I just did that. Now I'm going to try to like style them. That's the issue that I'm gonna have, is being able to figure out how I want to style them. I'm just like I'm just farting around, that's what I should say. But honestly, thanks guys for just hanging out with me today. I was just like, you know, I'm going to just pull out my camera. Hopefully you like this. I know people mostly, whenever I do like videos where I just talk a lot, I usually get one comment. You probably won't see because I usually delete it if it's like sassy, but like, okay, shut up, stop talking. We just get into the video, and I'm just like, but I don't want to stop talking. And so if you do watch my videos, I do appreciate it, because I know that like it's kind of hard sometimes to get through, because I'm a gabber. I don't know really how else to put it other than that. I like to talk. Oh, Good Trouble's on tonight. Oh my god, Good Trouble's on tonight. Oh my god, wait, where's my phone? Good Trouble, if you guys, oh my god, I don't know. It's on, I don't want to watch it like on Hulu tomorrow. I want to watch it tonight. So if you guys haven't watched Good Trouble yet, Good Trouble is so good. It is, like, I don't know how to describe it. It's just a very good, like, real show. It's not reality, but it's, I don't know if you guys have watched The Fosters. It's the spinoff of that. That's hot, don't do that. But it's the spinoff. And it follows Callie and Mariana, who are sisters, and they move to LA, and they move into the Coterie, which is like a communal living space, and there's so much drama and love, and it's just so good, and it speaks about really like real issues on human rights and like everything like that. I don't know, it's just a very good show that I love, and I won't ever stop writing for it. Same with The Fosters. If you have not watched The Fosters, I highly, highly recommend that. Okay, I think these are cute. These are cute. I kind of want them shorter already though. I feel like my hair is so thin. You wouldn't think it's as thin as it is, but it really is thin. Then I'll point cut it and give it some more featheriness, like. So, there we go. Now this needs to be point cutted, I think. Is that what it's called? Point cutting? I don't know. Ah! Why did I do that? I set my straightener on my leg. Come on. Anyway, I've been vlogging on TikTok all day today, which has been very, very fun, I should say. If you don't follow me there, you should, at Cup of Jordy. Okay, I kind of did them a little short on the side. That's alright. But you should follow me there. Oh, cute. Cute. Me smiling in the mirror. I hate when I watch myself do that. I'm just like, stop it. Stop it now. You know, like, I don't know, when you see someone like staring at themselves in the mirror and they're like making faces in it, like they like what they see. I'm like, wait a second. I didn't mean for it to come out like that. I'm just saying like me, I feel like it's very cringy to watch me sitting and smiling in the mirror, right? Like, I don't know, like, love yourself. I think I should think I'm like cute in the mirror, but like it just looks very funny with no words or context. Do I look like Orion yet? I know I'm not gonna look like Orion, but like, style these. That's the issue I think that most people have with bangs, is it's just such a like learning curve to style them. These are not even bangs. I don't know how to fix them, because like I want them like to be dramatic, but at the same time I should probably stop, because, you know, see, because if I put my hair back, I want them to pop, you know? I think they're cute though. Like, if I were to put my hair up and these are my bangs that I'm left with, like, totally fine by that. Let me FaceTime my sister. I'm gonna record. Oh shit, she might be at work. Let me text her. Not. Okay, I think that they're cute. I think they're cute. I'm gonna go on TikTok too and see. So, never mind, my sister's at work, which means I'm left with no friends, if you can relate. But I wanted to call her and ask her about styling these, because I knew she would know. She did have bangs like this actually a little bit ago, but I really liked them, you guys. I think I did a good job. Like, I think they look cute, especially with my hair up. Like, if my hair was down and like styled, I think it would look cute, but that's always the issue actually that I have with bangs, is like when my hair's down. But actually I think it's cute still. Like, what if I left it like, okay, like that. you know? But the sun's going down and I'm just chilling now. But I just kept like going at it. Do you guys want to see my office right now? So I haven't done an office tour yet, but you probably don't care if you're just watching this for my hair, but I did just get this rug in from Amazon, and I think it's the cutest rug ever, and then I have that rug over there. But I also put those things up from Target, which I think are super cute, and I think it looks really nice. So anyway, I'm going to be doing a video soon on redecorating my office and like reworking it and stuff. Sorry, let's see what my mom thinks at least. She said, "Oh, I love them long bangs, so cute." Anyway, so I showed her. They're basically curtain bangs. I really like them though, actually. I think that I did like a decent job cutting them. I might keep going shorter so that they're like even, because right now I feel like this side's a little bit shorter. I think they look super cute, and I'm going to go show Jared, and I think he'll like them. But anyway, so this is my video. Thanks for hanging out with me while I chopped my bangs. But I hope you enjoyed watching at least. And welcome back. This is just a short little video that I wanted to post on my channel because I like hanging out with you guys. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys next, which I think is going to be the day after tomorrow. I'm gonna try to upload every other day. I always say that. But yeah, I love you guys so very much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.